Hello guys, welcome to my channel The Law Cognition. Today we'll be seeing Occupational Safety, Health and Working Conditions Code 2020. So in this video specifically we'll be dealing with background, objectives and scope of this code. So without wasting time, let's get started. Now if we see, pursuant to the report of Second National Commission on Labour on the occupational safety, health and working conditions of the workers, it was the Ministry of Labour and Employment who has introduced the Occupational Safety, Health and Working Conditions Code 2019 in the Lok Sabha on July 23, 2019. That means the bill was presented in the Lok Sabha on July 23, 2019. Now, once the bill was presented and after it had been enacted as a code, there were 13 acts earlier in existence which have now been subsumed under this code. So now if we see what all were the acts which have got subsumed under this code, so it's Working Journalist and Other Newspaper Employees Act 1955, Working Journalist Act 1958. Other labor laws if we see included in the codes are Factories Act 1948, the Mines Act 1952, Dock Workers Act, Building and Other Construction Workers Act 1996, Plantations Labour Act 1951, Contract Labour Act 1970 and Interstate Migrant Workmen Act 1979. The code had even included few other acts like Motor Transport Workers Act 1961, Sales Promotion Employees Act 1976, Beedi and Cigar Workers Act 1966, and Sign Workers and Cinema Theatre Workers Act 1981. So these are 13 acts which have now been subsumed under the code, and to all the establishments falling under this code would only be applicable to them. Now if we talk about the scope, whether this code is applicable to all or there are few portions only to whom this code applies. So the code is applicable to all the establishment where any industry, trade, business, manufacture or occupation is carried on in which 10 or more workers are employed. So the criteria of 10 or more workers has to be fulfilled. Now further if we see, it even applies to a factory, motor transport undertaking, newspaper establishment, audio video production, building and other construction work or plantation in which 10 or more workers are employed. So here again there has to be 10 or more workers employed. Now it is even applicable to a mine or dock worker. So if we see all these 3 points, we could say that it's applicable to all, but what is the criteria that has to be seen is that there are 10 or more workers employed in that particular establishment. Then only that establishment fall under this code and this code would be applicable to them. Therefore, services sector, manufacturing and any other business or trading activity all will now be regulated under one common code, that is OSH code, Occupational Safety, Health and Working Conditions Code 2020. So now if there is any establishment where there are workers working more than 10 or 10 even, then this code would be applicable to them. I hope this was clear to you. Further, I would even be coming up with different chapters of this code. Till then, please like my channel. Thank you. Bye-bye. Take care.